Okay, so here we've got the 2013 Flow Quantum. Now this one is Scotty Lego's Pro Model board. Now Flo described this as an all-mountain freestyle board, but to be honest, for this one the emphasis has got to be on the freestyle. It's a true twin, so exactly the same whether you're riding regular or switch, as long as your binding's set up the same. And it's got a nice medium to, I would say, to slightly stiff flex. It's not a soft flappy board at all. It comes with pop camber, which is basically Flo's camber that they've used on this one, and it's flat in between the bindings, and then it goes to a little bit of positive camber in the nose and the tail, and then back to flat at the tips. And that basically means it sort of makes the board really nice for fast riding and for sort of like jumps and kicker, the sort of jumps and kicker side of freestyle riding as well. Because there's no anti-camber in it, it sort of means that it's not really ideal for like jibbing and pressure tricks and stuff, but for flying down the mountain and kickers, this camber profile works really nicely. Now this board comes with a sintered 4000 base, so it's a really good quality fast base, which is exactly what you want for this kind of board. And it's got loads of other cool features and technology in it as well. Flo have given it the Quadrax glass, which gives it a sort of a torsionally mellow sort of feel to it, but directionally it's really stiff, which means that it's going to give you a lot of power and a lot of pop as well. Along with that, it's got the Whiskey Rocks technology, which you might have heard us talk about before, which is basically the basalt plates, so they're inside the board, and they put 2 under each binding, and that makes the board super stiff, super solid, so it's really it's going to last a long time, and it's not going to fall apart or anything. They're basically sort of put in there to make the board really strong and be able to take a lot of abuse. They also help to transfer a lot of the energy that you give to the board to it, so it sort of does a lot of the work for you in that way. It sort of helps to transfer the energy from your legs and your feet into the board for you. And then finally, Whiskey Shooters. This one's got as well, which are basically carbon stringers in the nose and the tail, and they help to give the board again loads of pop and loads of power. So I mean, all in all, it is an all-mountain board, but it's sort of definitely an all-mountain board with a look to turning the whole mountain into a park. Really nice kicker board, this one. If you want something to do some big jumps on, big kicker riding, this thing's really nice. I wouldn't say it's a beginner's board at all. Like, it's pretty responsive. And it's pretty poppy and stuff as well. So if you're looking for your first board, to be honest, I wouldn't get this one. But if you've done a fair bit of riding and want a board to be able to hoom around the mountain on and fly off massive jumps on, the Quantum's perfect.